Okay, welcome back everybody. I just wanted to do a quick video here to show how to solve a parallel circuit. So I've got this parallel circuit set up here and I've got my table ready to be filled out. So what we know is this would be the total voltage and it's 9 volts, and in parallel we have to remember that the voltage is going to be the same all the way through. In this case it's going to be 9 volts. So we can go ahead and fill in at R1. The first resistor is going to be 9 volts. Second resistor, 9 volts. And third resistor, 9 volts. Okay, so that's a big help. We've got the ohms already given to us. So at R1, the ohms is going to be 1 ohm. Next at R2, should label that R3. R2, the ohms is going to be 2. And R3 is 4.5. Okay, you should now remember that anytime that we have 2 of the 3 parts of Ohm's law, we can calculate for the third. Okay? Alright, so Ohm's law in parallel, I just want to go over this again. So we've got, as it's stated here, V is equal to V is equal to V, and so on. The total current, the total current is going to be the current at 1 plus the current at 2 plus the current at 3. And resistance. To get this total resistance, we have to look at it like this. Well, we don't have to, but we can look at it like this. 1 over RT is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. Okay? That's going to involve finding a common denominator with 1, 2, and 4.5, which is, it's going to be like 18, but even so, that leaves a lot of room for possible errors when there is another way to do it that could be a little bit more simple for you. Okay, so Ohm's law, we've got V is equal to IR. And we've got 2 of these items, so we've got, and we want to find the third for I in each of these. So we could go V over R is equal to I. Okay, so if we have 9 divided by R at the first resistor, that would be 9 ohms. 9 divided by 2 is going to be 4.5 ohms. Amps, sorry. 9 divided by 2 ohms is going to be 4.5 amps, and 9 divided by 4.5 is going to be our 2 amps. Okay, now here the IT, so right here, that would be the sum of all these. So we've got 9 plus 4.5 plus 2.5 is going to be 15.5. 15.5 amps. Okay, so now instead of finding common denominators here and then taking the inverse later, we now have these two guys. We can calculate the third. So again, if we go V is equal to IR, R is going to equal V divided by I. Okay, so we've got V divided by I. 9 divided by 15.5. I've got that one already. I did it a moment ago. So 9 divided by 15.5 is equal to 0.58. 0.58 ohms would be the total resistance. Okay, so we've now solved for the voltage, current, and ohms at each resistor and for the totals of those. Okay, so that's solving a simple parallel circuit. Let me know if you have any questions.